Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sea moss shampoo. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients. This includes about 1/4 cup of raw sea moss, 2 cups of distilled water, and 1/2 cup of liquid castile soap. You might also want to have some essential oils on hand for fragrance and added benefits. Make sure all your tools are clean and ready for use before you begin the process. The first crucial step is preparing your sea moss gel. Begin by rinsing about 1/4 cup of raw sea moss very well under cool, running water to remove any debris. Then, soak it in 1 cup of distilled water for at least 4 to 6 hours, or even overnight. After soaking, blend the softened sea moss with another 1/2 cup of fresh distilled water until it forms a smooth, consistent gel. This gel is the base of your shampoo. Now it's time to combine your ingredients to create the shampoo. Carefully pour the sea moss gel into a clean mixing bowl. Next, add about 1/2 cup of liquid castile soap to the gel. If you're using essential oils, add about 10 to 15 drops now. Gently stir the mixture with a spoon until all ingredients are thoroughly combined and the consistency is uniform. Avoid overmixing to prevent excessive foam. Once your sea moss shampoo is ready, transfer it into a clean, airtight bottle. A pump bottle works wonderfully for easy dispensing. Because this shampoo is homemade and natural, it's best to store it in the refrigerator to maintain its freshness and extend its shelf life. Aim to use your shampoo within 1 to 2 weeks. Shake gently before each use to ensure the ingredients are well mixed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.